Hello everyone, today I will be going to teach you about ratio. But before I will give you some examples, we will first know what is ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two quantities. In the ratio A to B, A and B are the terms. A is the first term or antecedent, while B is the second term or consequent. When we write a ratio, we use a colon or the fraction bar to separate the two terms. So now that we know what is ratio, I will give you some examples. The first example is apples and oranges. The first question is ratio of apples to oranges. So we will count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4. And we will also count the oranges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you put 6. You can also write it like 4 over 6. And remember, they have a common factor, which is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. You can also write it by 2 over 3. So that's the simplest form. The second question is ratio of apples to fruits. So we will count the apples, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. And we will count all of the fruits. So all of the fruits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. You can also write it like a fraction. It also has a common factor. It is 2 again. So we will divide it by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. You can also write it like a fraction. So 2 over 5. So that's the simplest form. Another example. Now with balls. The first question is ratio of baseballs to soccer balls. So we will not include the basketballs. So we will count the baseballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will count the soccer balls. So which is 3. We can write it into 5 over 3. So this has no common factor. So this will be our answer. The second question is basketballs to baseballs. So we will include the basketballs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Now we will write it into 6 over 5. So it also has no common factor. So this is the answer. That's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from our lesson for today. Remember, mathematics may not teach us how to add love or minus hate, but it gives us every reason to hope that every problem has a solution. Thanks for watching. Bye!